Have you ever wanted to play with Franklin, Michael, and Trevor at the same time on GTA5? Well, good news. I'm going to show you how. First, call Trevor. Now, go pick him up. Right before you pick up Trevor, call Michael. Now, pick up Trevor. After picking up Trevor, you can now pick up Michael. Now you can pick up Michael.
Now you can go have some fun. But don't go too crazy. Like Grand Theft Auto. Or having some drinks with your friends. Bang a beaver. Or how about some basketball? But this ride is out of order. Or make some things go boom. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.